Right then, so it is time to begin the red zone. Now I'm really impressed, because over the last few lessons, we've done some fantastic work. We've obviously looked at the causes of disease, what people believed in the Middle Ages. We're now going to basically put all of that information together, do a little bit of analysis and apply it to this source which we've been working on in the first half of today's lesson. All right, now this is what I'm looking for in this red zone task. Okay, so I'm going to come around the classroom with my notebook. I'm going to jot down names of people that are doing a fantastic job, have a look at your work, and I'm sure there's going to be loads and loads of brilliant examples that are going to go on. Now, I'm looking for this. Number one, I want a number of reasons which suggest why source A, to help you with this, here's obviously red zone slide. Now, just a reminder, red zone, we all know how we obviously do a red zone in school. We all make sure we focus, we all want to do the best we can, we want to present it in our best handwriting. And I'm confident, I think everyone's in fantastic shape in here now to be able to do it okay. And let's go. It's a really good start, as I'm wandering around, everyone's starting off really, people are using the sentence starters, you're making sure the start of your answer is really focused in relation to that question, so that's a really, really good starting point, really impressed. I'll try and find a few more for some of the later points, in relation to what's the source showing that's useful, what isn't as showing, but really impressed so far, it's absolutely fantastic. Good. Hitting that first bit of criteria there today, that's great. Great, now beginning to see people, mentioning what it's not saying. So some people are moving on to the second, third criteria now, so that's great, Dante there, fantastic. But I just want to go through, I'm wondering around, just found a good answer that I would just like to kind of share with you, all right, in relation to our criteria. Right, I'm going to read this answer now. I'm not going to put it under the visualiser because I want you to reflect on the criteria that we've got on the board. So, source A could be deemed as useful because it shows, and I want you to get your green pens out. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to assess your own work in relation to the criteria on the board.